Turmeric is one of the most popular roots nowadays, not just to cook with, but also due to its many health benefits. This spice, a member of the ginger family, has been used for over 4,000 years in the Middle East and Asia, and its consumption has been tied to lower cancer rates in countries like India. Its qualities and health benefits are mainly due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. It's even proven to be superior to antibiotics. In today's video, we're going to show you 10 reasons why turmeric is superior to modern medicine. Depression. Depression is considered to be the evil of the century, and its effects go far beyond feeling sad or distressed. This disorder can even affect the immune system and favor the onset of inflammatory processes. In general, depression is treated through psychological counseling and prescription medications such as fluoxetine. But one study shows that turmeric had better results than fluoxetine in depression's treatment. Cancer. Over the years, many studies have shown that the active property in turmeric is able to keep cancer cells from developing and growing. Turmeric has been linked to the prevention of various types of cancer, including breast, lung, stomach, liver, and colon cancer. Pain. Chronic pain is one of the main reasons people take prescription drugs. The problem is that these medicines can help fight pain, but they can have negative consequences for your health in the long run. Studies indicate that turmeric is effective in relieving pain, taking action superior to that of medicines such as aspirin and ibuprofen. Arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can be especially helpful for people with arthritis. This includes both degenerative arthritis, osteoarthritis, and inflammatory arthritis. Heart diseases. Turmeric can also help strengthen your heart because it has a positive effect on your heart, arteries, veins, and lymphatic vessels, contributing to the regulation of blood pressure and coagulation. Brain diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's have been linked to low levels of a neurological growth hormone. Turmeric has the ability to raise levels of this hormone, delay its onset, and improve the memory and cognitive capacity of the brain. PMS. One study has shown that turmeric is effective in relieving symptoms common in premenstrual tension. Skin problems. Turmeric is a widely used ingredient in beauty treatments, great at reducing acne, dry skin, oily skin, and even help reduce the signs of aging and wrinkles. It is excellent for treating stretch marks, alopecia, psoriasis, burns, and even helps to eliminate facial hair. Irritable bowel syndrome. One study has shown that the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric have also proven to be beneficial in reducing the symptoms of IBS, and these effects may also extend to other digestive disorders such as ulcerative colitis. Inflammatory processes. A poor diet and unhealthy lifestyle habits can contribute to the onset of chronic inflammatory processes, which in turn contribute to heart disease, diabetes, joint problems, and more. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits of turmeric is its potent anti-inflammatory action, which makes this root an excellent ally in combating inflammation without bringing the undesirable effects found in the remedies prescribed for that purpose. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.